Hi, my name is Jonathan. Today we're going to be going over how to replace a microphone on a Galaxy S II. The one we're going to be doing it on is a Samsung Epic Touch 4G for Sprint. The materials that you're going to need are first your reflow station. We're using the Xtronic 4000 series. Temperature setting for this phone is going to be about 380 degrees Celsius because the temperature needs to be a little bit lower than some the other phones on the Samsung boards because they're a little bit thinner and you don't want to damage it. You're also going to need a set of helping hands. This is going to be used to hold the board, and that's going to be all for this one. You don't need any additional solder or anything else for this particular repair. As you get started, you want to heat the board up from the bottom on the other side of the mic, and the image that you see right here, the little copper piece with the hole in it is the microphone for this device, and you want to heat it from the bottom, not putting it too close to the board because you don't want to burn it, and you just kind of tap it very gently with the tweezers that we're using here every so often to see if it's come unsoldered. There's no visible solder, so you don't actually see whenever it's unseated, but it will come up, and as you see there's 4 points here where it connects to the board. And then go ahead and get your replacement microphone and set it on there. It's, as you see on the board there, it's got two little corners there where it kind of helps you line it up, and if you get it lined up just right, then you'll know that all your solder points are on there correctly. And just pay attention when you take it off to which side the hole in the mic is so that you don't have it upside down, and then heat it from the bottom again. Now this particular repair is kind of difficult because again you can't see any of the solder on the actual board melt, so you kind of have to use your judgment as far as when you think that the solder is melted, because there's just a very tiny amount on there, so you're not going to feel it sink in or anything. What you want to do once you have it positioned is press down firmly with something with kind of a pointed object so it won't slide. We use an X-Acto knife, and once you feel like it's on there, go ahead and take off your heat, and then just kind of give it a couple light taps to make sure that it is on there secured, which is what we're doing right there. And after that, go ahead and put your phone back together, and if all goes well, you should have a working microphone. And so kind of a quick repair on this one. There's really not a whole lot to it. The hardest thing on this is just making sure that the microphone is actually seated back on there. It might take a couple tries before you've actually got the timing right as far as getting it melted and getting it reattached to the board and everything. But that's all there is to it. Hope this helps, and have a nice day.